Hey y'all, hope everyone's doing good. It's rainy and gloomy here, so I'm gonna play with some stamps. I pulled this stack out at Strasbourg. I think it's all, post, I think it's Russian occupation of Germany post World War II. Pretty sure that's what it is. Oh, these are different. See that? They're like semi-postals almost. This has got a blue border. This has got a black border on it. So some of you, I don't know, I've mentioned it before. So my stamps are all in a state of chaos. So I've made this box over there with manila folders. As I'm going through stuff, I'm just putting them in manila folders to organize them by what they are. And then once I go through those, my stacks of stuff, then I'm gonna go through those folders and get them better organized and stuff. That's what I'm gonna do. Kind of neat pieces. I don't know if they're valuable or not, but everything doesn't have to be valuable to like it, right? Oh, these are nice covers. Wow. I like covers. I don't know if everybody likes covers, but I sure do. I'm kind of wondering if they got a... Hang on, my little niece is calling me. I gotta answer that. I apologize for that. Oh, I wanted to find out if there was any cancellations on the back, like a destination cancel, or these more philatelic covers. I don't know, they sure are neat though. Looks like the exact same thing. I like them. I've always tried to, within reason, whenever I bought stuff like this, I like to get the stamps, but I also like to get a mixture of the covers too. It's like my Zeppelin collection. You get all the Zeppelins, the Graf Zeppelins, but I want covers. So when you have it in when I go to put it in display, just kind of gives a little bit of oomph to it. Huh. These are nice sheets. I wonder if Strasbourg was a town or a region. I don't know. Russia zone. I don't know too much about the zones and stuff. I know that, I think, what was it, Russian zone, US zone, and a British zone. I know I got some US stuff. Wow, this guy's got everything. Huh. Store cow, Mark. I wonder if that's why. That's got to have something to do with these storks, obviously. Those are nice. I like them. I'm gonna have to do a little research on these, figure it out. A bunch of blocks. I guess this will go in my Russian occupation, Russian zone. This is different. Let's see. Did he hinge those on? Oh, shoot. What's going on here? Is he just showing the different watermarks, I guess? How's he got those on there? Oh, there. Oh, he's just got, I get it. Huh. We gotta spend some time on there. Wonder why put them in upside backwards like that. Huh. Here's another one. Is that the same one as before? Where's that other one? Let me get it out. Where's it at? I don't know if there's any variations in here. I'd look. It looks exactly the same to me. Huh. Put those there. These are nice sheets. Let me put this right here. Like Red Cross sheets, maybe? Oh, they're different too. Glue on the back, mint, no hinge. You know, it's funny, that last video I just posted it this morning on, and I thought I'd throw some animal pictures and just around the farm here. And, you know, we got a pretty good sized ranch out here. And people always asking me, how come you don't do cattle? You know what? Because I don't want to is why. That's a whole nother way of life right there. That'd take time away from me from stamp collecting. These look the same to me. I mean, a little color variation, but I don't know if that's just age or what, you know what I mean? Put this back in here. Oh, these are nice. I like these. These are local posts. Well, there's Strasbourg again, but I know these are all local posts. Man, you can have a whole collection just on these damn things. This will have to go in a separate file. I'll put these over here. Now, hang on. So I wonder, are these old German Empire, old Germany, Bergdorf? Wasn't that one of the old German ones? So was Hanover, I know that. Or were these later and they were local posts? I'm not sure. Someone chime in a little more on the local posts. Really beautiful stamps though. Man, these are really nice shape too. I wonder. I like them. A whole bunch of them. These are cool. I'll probably do like these in a separate album. I mean, not breaking them down, just have them all, if they're all local posts, have them all go in just one album. These are really cool looking. Oh, bummer. Look at that right there. Got a little tear on it. Got both of them. Imperf and perf. It's Frankfurt. It's a cool looking stamp. I have no idea what this is. I got a ton of these different ones. I don't know what that says on there. Hang on a minute, I'm gonna find out. Well, that was interesting. So these are considered local issues too after World War II. I mean, I got lots of them. You see them with the obliterations on there and stuff. They had so many Hitler stamps they wouldn't use it. But this German wording, the translation on it into English, it says, blood and tears his seed, his actions were his only misdeed. That's pretty interesting, you know. Huh. It's just a philatelic cover. You know, I got, so these ones here, I got a rare set of these somewhere. I'm sure we'll come across them. They're certified too. And then there's a couple different versions of these, and I happen to have the rarer ones. These are kind of neat. There's all kinds. That's a whole specialty in these overprints on the Hitler head stamps and all that kind of stuff. There's a ton of them out there. I guess they had so many Hitler stamps out there, you know, and there were so many local towns and stuff like that. They did different overprints on them, you know. Wow. It's a pretty neat collection. Bad sorrow mark. Huh. Bad sorrow. I don't recognize it. I'd have to look at this underneath the magnifying glass. lot of them in here. Oh, it's supposed to be like that. These are Russian zones. I wonder if this one was Russian zone. I think it is. I'm not sure. Don't know. I know this one is. Another one. I like them with the postmarks. Boy, look at that. That looks like a coffin. Pretty neat collection. I don't know if I gotta go through these and see which one's Russian and which one is local. I like these ones. These are pretty nice postcards too. I don't know what this is. Something over there. There's another one. There's another one of them sheets. There's a bunch of those obliterations. Ton of them. There's so many different kinds. I think the messier they are, the more genuine they are. I've seen them on eBay where you got some with these, I don't know, skulls and crossbones. That's all fake stuff. I guess it's not fake. They're more called fantasy pieces. I mean, they're cool. I never got into them myself. I've seen these. These are all legit. This must be a tough one to get or something. Is it the same thing? Oh, there's different types. This one says, oh, I bet you that's what this is. I bet you these are type 1s. I don't know how, I'd have to look in the catalog. These are type 2s. Whatever the difference are, and these are type 2Bs. I've seen this before. This is nice. I like this. Got this overprint on there. It's pretty cool looking. This must be Russian and locals mixed together. I think that's what it is. I just grabbed a stack, so. What are these? Dresden. Kind of cool looking. Must be local. Pretty neat. I like it. Another local cover. Oh no, it says Russian, it says. Russia's own. I gotta figure this out. I'll do it off camera, going through these and then put them in my different folders, and then I want to get it right. Where's this going to? I bet you, maybe not all of them, but I bet you the cancellations, like the colonies, cancellations, if they're legitimate, are worth more than unused stamps. I wonder if that's the same way with these. Your name. More Strasbourg. Just did this for the cancellation, I guess. So just a side note, I've been working on, I got a pretty good Zeppelin collection, and I think on that very first video I did, I said I've been working on these sheets. These are what I kind of come up with. This is what I'm going to do on my covers. So I printed this on hard stock and stuff, and I mean, it's going to be specific to each cover I got, and I'll get it put in a sleeve and put it in here like that. But I got a picture of the back of it on there, you know what I mean? It looks kind of cool that way you see it. And then I wrote on here, I got the route of all the cancellations and stuff, the frankings, the departure, and the arrival, This one actually has the letter still inside it. I don't want to open it though. Tell me what you guys think. I think that'll look kind of cool in an album. I don't know which one looks better. I kind of like this one, I think. I like the Zeppelin, the color of the Zeppelin flag. This is a little too dark. But then the back cover shows up a little better on this one. I don't know, left or right, which one do you think? All right, I'll probably do another video tomorrow. It's gonna be rainy all weekend, so I ain't doing nothing. Y'all take care. See ya.